in front of people. I was feeling fear to face public, especially to speak in front of them. But now, almost every day, I am facing the public and speaking in front of camera and getting lots of love. Do you want to know the secret? If you want to know how to speak in front of people, watch this video till end. My father was forcing me to speak in front of camera and repeatedly speaking this story. Once upon a time, a man found a butterfly that was struggling to hatch from its cocoon. Cocoon means shell. He sat down and watched the butterfly for hours as it struggled to force itself through the tiny hole. Then it suddenly stopped making the process and it looked like the butterfly was stuck. Therefore, the man decided to help the butterfly out. He took a pair of scissors and cut off the remaining bit of the cocoon. The butterfly then came out easily, although it had a swollen body and small thread-like wings. The man thought nothing of it, and he sat there waiting for the wings to enlarge to support the butterfly. However, that never happened. The butterfly spent the rest of its life unable to fly, coiling around with small wings and swollen body. Despite the man's kind heart, he didn't understand the restricting cocoon and the struggle needed by the butterfly to get itself through a small hole where God's way of forcing fluid from the body of the butterfly to its wing to prepare itself for flying once it was free. So, if you are struggling, means your future is bright. Just like me, challenge your weak point and knowingly do it regularly to improve it. In 2 to 3 weeks, you can feel the result. What is your weak point? Which holds you? Tell me in the comments below. And I hope you found this video useful as always. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you very much.